Over here, I have my coconut milk. I have my prawns. I have my smoked mackerel fish. I have my rice. I have my onion, fresh pepper, garlic and ginger. I have my meat stock that has been in the fridge. I also have my pepper soup spice. I have my herbs. I have my parsley, my rosemary, different seasoning. And then I have my crayfish. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, in today's video, we'll be learning how to make coconut rice with Ida Bassi's recipe with a little bit twist from me. So in another video, I'll be showing you guys how to make coconut rice the worry way, because I saw this stuff trending on TikTok. Somebody had made coconut rice the worry way, and people were just criticizing it, like, you guys, that worry recipe for coconut rice is also mad, like it's also very, very nice and very creamy also. But in today's video, we'll be learning the restaurant way of making coconut rice. So for our ingredients, first of all, coconut rice. So we'll need rice, obviously. I'm going to be using this long grain rice. So we'll need rice. We'll need meat stock. This is my frozen meat stock. We'll need coconut milk. If you can get fresh coconut milk, like not the ones in tin, like extract it by yourself from the coconut, that will really make sense. So we're using coconut milk. I'm using 2 different types just to get really cool. Then I'll be using mashed mackerel fish, smoked mashed mackerel fish, and I'll also be using prawns also. So first thing first, now then for my spice, I'll be using garlic, ginger, and some other stuff. You guys, first thing first is we have to season our prawns. It's still frozen, so we have to season it until I can start marinating, and then we'll air fry it for a while. This is my prawn. I've already seasoned it, and I'll let it marinate for a while. Then I'll air fry it, but I'll not air fry it for so long because I don't want it to shrink in so much. Okay. Step is to blend our pepper, onion, garlic, and ginger. We're done blending our pepper, onion, garlic, and ginger. Boiling water, because we're going to parboil the rice, or we're going to wash our rice using hot water, and then just put a pot on fire and just let the pot start getting hot, because we're also going to use vegetable oil.